It's time to go do a Spartan run.
Getting hotels for a plastic medal. It's ridiculous.
The bucket carry. Let's go. The 50-pound sandbag carrier. Can't smoke a rock, whoa. That was insane and new. We've been doing these for a couple years. They made us drive a 50-pound sandbag under barbed wire. I'll show you guys. It sucks. You're literally dragging a freaking heavy sandbag under barbed wire. It's cruel. But yeah, gotta hate the water. Get your feet all wet. Although I heard it's supposed to have some kind of a hydrating effect. But I guess that's cool. Cool point, man. They have the underwater thing here. I forgot what it's called. We just got done with the 5K, guys. Let's just stop here. A freaking 2-time, 2X trifecta medal, 2 Bs, 2 Supers, and 2 Sprints all in a year. This thing is awesome. Let's see what we got. This is my first time ever getting this. Oh, they were right. You got the trick or treat packs. There's only like 2 real boosters in here, and the rest is like trick or treat packs. For $20, not worth it. Pool Point fam, we have been very busy, but we finally got the TCG Lightning set from Walgreens all the way in Gal, California, where we just did the Spartan run and got our 2X trifecta medal. We're going for 3 and 4 this year. Let's see if we could do it. Any Spartans out there? Hell yeah. So let's get right into it. They said I feared it would come with a trick or trade, and it did, to my surprise. But hey, let's roll with the punches, okay? What's this in here? Oh. Ooh. It's kind of beat up. Why would they do that? My apologies. So let's get right into it. In this pack we have Trick or Trade, Trick or Trade, Trick or Trade, Trick or Trade, Paradox Rift from Scarlet and Violet, and Scarlet and Violet Stellar Crown. I don't think we've ever opened up one of these on this channel. Let's do the trick or treat ones first, all right? Okay. Trash. Houndoom. Whoa. A hollow Okie Dokie. Okie Dokie. Reminds me of The Simpsons. Oakley Dokley, and a Pumpkaboo. We're not even gonna hide these. Just gonna open them outright and see what we get. I mean, it's only 3 cards. First one is Houndoom. And a Pheasantipity for the hollow. Looking pretty cool, Pheasantipity. And a Sprigatito. Gatito, Spanish for little kitty. Yeah, I was gonna buy these packs again, the 15 packs for $10 at my local Walgreens, but I said nah. Good thing I didn't, because we have them here. There we go. Work with us, not against us. And let's see what we have. Litwick, followed by the suspension wheel. A hollow Flutter Mane Ancient. I don't think I've ever heard of a Fluttermane, but hey, this looks cool. And a Greybird. For our last trick or trade. Let's see. Whoa, careful, careful, careful. Don't get hurt opening up these packs, alright? Especially if you're strong. First up is a Houndoom, followed by a... Whoa, a hollow Teal Mask Ogre-Pon. This is pretty cool. And another Sprigatito. This is pretty cool. We opened that one in the Scarlet and Violet edition. I forgot about the promo. It's right here on the side. The sides look beat up, but here, a little bit on the side there. But it's a Regieleki V. Look at this side right here. That's okay. I guess that's how they packed it. I guess that's a score, maybe a 9 score. We're gonna save Stellar Crown for last. Let's go ahead and open up Paradox Rift. Do the little shake, shake, shake. Oh, we usually do it from the bottom, right? There it is. It always works at the bottom. Ooh, I'm excited, I'm excited. Ooh, and first off, code. Energy. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? It's a Hollow Xatu. Better than nothing, right? A Reverse Hollow Apom. And a Reverse Hollow Nocli. Hey, that's pretty cool. I've never seen this before. It looks like the mushroom from the Super Mario franchise. Ferrothorn. Slitherwing. Hey, never seen that before. That looks cool. An Aggressive Durant. A Porygon. Flamigo. Hey, Flamingo, you are my amigo. Wishmer. And a Surskit. In our last pack for the night, it's gonna be the Stellar Crown. Just heads up, everyone, I'm getting really busy with my master's program. I finally got IRB approval, and we will be working on that. So we will do a video every Friday instead of every day, like we've been doing pretty much. Code. Energy. A Hollow Grimmsnarl. That looks cool. Whoa. A full art Gulpin. Look at this thing. It's eating a whole cake. This thing is beautiful. Oh my god, I gotta sleeve this immediately. And a hollow, reverse hollow, Archaludon? How about that? Swallowing that cake up. Frogadier. Tornadus. Not my favorite legendary. But Koraidon. Rhyhorn. Bombardier. Yamask. Hey, you forgot Yamask. Get it? Okay. And a Chinchou. That's it. Like and subscribe and get your free Pokemon card. Let me know where to send it. See y'all on the next one.